The first step to start trading, choose the exchange and sign in. We recommend choosing centralized exchanges as they provide enough liquidity that is extremely important for scalping. It means that there is a less probability that your market or limit order wouldn't be executed when an instrument you trade is highly volatile. We will show you the process on the example of Binance, but you can use several other exchanges which accounts could be as well paired with Cscalp. The Cscalp supports the following exchanges. You can choose from them. All the links for these exchanges you will find below this video. And this is the official website of the Cscalp trading platform. Let's start with registration. As I said, I will show you the whole process on the example of the Binance. Sign up with phone or email. Here we enter our personal email, generate password, referral ID if we have, and agree with privacy policy. The verification code sent to your email. Enter it here. The next step of verification implies Face ID and passport, license or ID card submission. We need to do this to broaden the functionality because passing only initial registration, we will have limited functionality. We choose this option and we will be offered to upload the document and then make a selfie identification. The process of approval usually takes several hours. The next extremely important step is to go to main menu, security, and here to increase your account security, it's recommended that you enable two-factor authentication, including Binance and Google Authenticator. We need these three options. Here we see the simple instruction. Download and install the Authenticator application. You can scan it through iPhone or Android. The next step, you're scanning this through your application. Save your backup key in a secure location. And finally, enable Authenticator by verifying your account by getting email verification code. Then you need to turn on phone number verification, just entering and confirming your phone number. By enabling two-factor authentication, we are increasing the security of our account. Moreover, if you do not have two-factor authentication, you will be restricted from P2P operations. After we have verified account that we can deposit with funds or withdraw earned profit, let's consider two main ways of depositing. First way, using a credit card. Quite simple, but we do not recommend using this as far as the commissions are quite high. Anyway, let's try to do this. We select currency, for example, euro. We are depositing with a bank card. We enter card number, expiry date, security code. It's quite simple, but usually we use P2P or person-to-person exchange. Here in trade section, we choose P2P. Don't worry, it's absolutely safe. If we want to deposit $500, we just find a person or merchant here who would like to sell 500 USDT or crypto dollar. Then we choose preferable payment system, stipulating the amount. We should choose approved merchants with the star. The process is based on the smart contracts. This is one of the principles of blockchain technology that we were talking previously. For example, we choose this one, stipulate the sum, and press buy USDT. The order is successfully placed. One person or seller provides 500 USDT to sell it to another person. The buyer provides fiat funds equivalent to 500 USDT. One person or seller provides 500 USDT to sell it to another person. The buyer provides fiat funds equivalent to 500 USDT. The system based on smart contracts blocks the assets to be transferred till buyers and the seller confirm the transfer of assets to a spot wallet and fiat money to a bank card correspondingly. The system blocks the amount of assets of the deal when the seller confirms the fiat transfer to his card from the buyer. The system unblocks the assets, transferring them to buyer's spot wallet. The fraud is eliminated. Let's do this again. Here we choose the type of the asset we want to buy for the fiat money. Here we choose fiat, for example, USD. We can then convert or buy another crypto on the exchange after depositing the wallet. Usually all the purchases of assets are made in USDT, the equivalent of the dollar. Enter the sum we want to buy the asset. Then we choose the payment method. Then we choose the merchant with a star. We stipulate the amount. We make a fiat transfer through the stated payment system right to the bank account of unknown person and click confirm the transaction. When a person gets money, he approves and our assets are transferred to Binance wallet. If another party gets the sum stated but do not confirm it, his funds and assets that we are purchasing are blocked till the end of the investigation. We send the appeal and provide proofs of the bank transfer. Then the Binance unblocks the assets for us. Such behavior from the seller could decrease his rate, or Binance can even restrict him from P2P operations. Simple and safe, but be aware to make right transfer of your funds. Withdrawal of the assets. We recommend using the same service, P2P. Firstly, you transfer the sum you want to withdraw to the funding wallet. For example, we would like to withdraw $200. We transfer $200 from fiat and spot to funding wallet. Now in P2P we choose sell option. We choose the assets we would like to sell for fiat money. We enter the amount. Choose the fiat money we would like to get to our bank card. We choose the payment method, bank transfer for example. We choose the merchant. Here we stipulate the sum and here we see how much we will receive. Sell USDT. After clicking this button, you will be waiting for the other person to transfer all that funds to your credit card. Then you will be asked to confirm the transaction by Google Authentication code. Do not confirm the transfer of the funds till you get the SMS from your bank that the funds are deposited. Now, how we can transfer the funds to another person by wallet address? For example, we would like to transfer 500 USDT to our friend. We choose withdraw here. Here we enter his address. Here we choose the network. Be aware to choose right network. If you send the funds in another network, the assets disappear. For example, we enter the address and choose Tron network. We enter the sum, withdraw, continue. We will be offered to confirm the transaction by Google Authentication code, the code sent to your mobile phone, and the code sent to your email. Where to get your wallet address? Here we choose deposit crypto. Here we choose the coin, for example USDT. Choose the network, for example Tron. Here we see our address. Copy it and send it to the sender, stipulating the net. Now let's see how to buy the crypto. We usually invest by using Syscap terminal. It's much more easy, but such a way you should know as well. Spot trading section in trade. Here we choose the instrument, for example Ethereum. In this section we can buy or sell the asset by the market or placing the limit order to buy it on the proper price, stipulating the amount of the asset in USDT or in tokens. Quite simple. For example, we would like to place a limit order on the price of 1527, purchasing 0.5 Ethereum on that price. Or if the current price is good enough for us, we can buy the market or buy right now Ethereum, for example, for 1000 USDT. That's okay. It's quite simple.